1. Development concept and our solution. 11. Deflationary reflection token with automated liquidity acquisition. Decentralized financing is made possible by using decentralized exchanges in collaboration with liquidity pool smart contracts. To be able to exchange tokens in a clever chain in the event of a decentralized chain, we need an available liquidity pool of exchange tokens. The project is also involved in how to give users the right incentives to maintain such a liquidity pool. Developers have sought to address these situations with a variety of tokenomic structures with incentives for users to provide liquidity to the pool. An alternative answer to the traditional, agricultural glob structure is automated liquidity procurement. An automatic liquidity acquisition feature that allows users to receive rewards, through reflection, instead of traditional agricultural rewards. These considerations can be used to distribute tokens in proportion to volume, providing additional reasonable incentives for containment. Reflective and automated liquidity procurement can help balance, but this is a unique burn that can lead to a shortage of tokens when the supply of tokens is reduced. The combination of these tokenomics seeks to eliminate the problems of various predecessors while providing use cases and incentives to help with acquisitions. In effect, software with these smart contract features has the effect of amplifying tokenomics. 1.2 Automated liquidity acquisition. We keep in mind that liquidity is essential in any trading environment. Decentralized liquidity, by definition, is the accessibility of tokens that are operated and managed through sophisticated payments hosted through decentralized transactions. Traditionally, marketplace makers have been used to provide consumers and sellers in traditional order exchanges with providers for a better consumer experience. A key feature of these market maker services was the immediate execution of buy and sell orders and the reduction of general market volatility due to bulk orders. However, the traditional purchase order has been modified through an old, distributed location liquidity pool due to the use of new technology. Just as market makers are rewarded for offering carriers in an order book environment, the right incentives to add liquidity are an important issue in a decentralized environment. Problems arise when liquidity pool providers lose the incentive to pool tokens. This happens after the token pair has been exposed to a temporary loss from arbitrage. The solution is to draw liquidity from the market activity of all exchanges and transfers within the smart contract framework. Some of these exchanges and transfers are recorded by smart contracts and used in the functions of exchanges and liquidity. To achieve this, 5% of exchanges and transfers can be held in another group of contracts themselves and automatically converted to a liquidity pool when the token count reaches the 500 billion token thresholds. Liquidity is managed by contract at the time of sale and combined accordingly, so users do not have to suffer from non-permanent loss scenarios. Liquid pools reduce the volatility of swap effects compared to commonly available supplies. Therefore, automatic liquidity when a token expires can be traced back to the ever-growing market stability, which can absorb a lot of market activity. 1.3 Token reflection. Reflection rewards are created simply by holding tokens and feature an innovative hold farming reward structure that sets them apart from traditional pool farming rewards. The idea behind this feature is to remove the token dependencies that caused problems in the past. This includes, but is not limited to: A. Pool of funds on unverified third-party smart contracts. B. External website interface. C. Transaction fees required to claim benefits. Early models of decentralized financial tokens, such as pool farming, are costly and manually increase rewards depending on user actions. The solution is to use a compound interest compensation structure that does not require an additional charge with a smart contract feature, also known as token reflection. To do this, you need to perform reflection without costing or impacting the user. Given the static 5% reflection rate, the amount of market activity directly affects the amount of token reflection based D on the ratio of tokens held by the user to the total supply. It has activated rewards for individual addresses, exchanges, hot wallets, accounts such as dApps. It can be excluded from token reflection, thus granting more rewards to individual holders. 1.4 Depreciation from supply and burn address. In a decentralized smart chain environment, you can use contract functions to achieve token shortages. For this purpose, we recommend distributing rewards to all participants to publicly identifiable right addresses. For greater transparency, you can track depreciable inventory in real time. Efforts to establish baseline token burn rates have found that these values depend on three key factors: reflectance, token quantity, market volume. The reward reflection rate is proportional to the total offer of each owner's wallet address. It is important to note that there are two specific variables that affect the calculation: the increasing shortage of tokens and the number of tokens contained in the right address. It is reasonably understandable that these functions have synergistic effects that may stabilize future combustion rates. 1.5 Tokenomics. CoinGo aims to use the idea of static rewards, where rewards are created according to the number of tokens traded, to relieve the pressure on tokens that can occur when selling tokens. In addition, as stated in this white paper, the reflection mechanism provides incentives for CoinGo owners to hold the tokens longer. CoinGo's automatic LP adds stability to the protocol by offering token holders the lowest rates cushions. Also, CoinGo's strategic methodology document provides long-term support for CoinGo token holders. CoinGo token distribution procedure is as outlined below. 35% is allocated for our EDO, hosted on a launchpad. 43% is set aside for our public sale. 2% is set aside for charity donation. 18% is set aside for our team members. 2% is set for airdrop and burns. For ease of visualization, the above allocations are illustrated in the pie chart below. 1.6 Token supply procedure. The initial and maximum supplied tokens are the same and are set to be: initial supply, 1 quadrillion token, 1 trillion, 000. Maximum supply, 1 quadrillion token, 1 quadrillion. The key consideration is that the Dogecoin project-based blockchain at first includes the Polygon blockchain, and the code shall be written upon the requirement of the associated chain, and therefore, the same story shall be applied for token generation, which is based on Polygon blockchain ERC20 deflationary token. Upon completion of EDO, which will take place in a well-known launchpad like Polygon or Binance Launchpad, right after Find Rising, once our token passed the listing criteria from the CoinMarketCap, upon the interest of our community, we may think about generating our token on Binance Smart Chain in order to show more flexibility and also have verity on the number of blockchain for our token community.